Welcome to Global Economic Press, where we deliver trusted global finance and economic news, analysis, and reports, empowering leaders and investors with reliable, timely insights. I'm your host, Alex Brady. In today's episode, we delve into an exciting development in the health sector. Dumbo Health has launched Sleep Longevity, a groundbreaking membership program designed to transform sleep data into actionable clinical care. This initiative introduces the Sleep Longevity Age, a unique metric that could redefine how we approach sleep health. Stay tuned as we explore how this innovation aims to address one of the most overlooked aspects of our well-being. Millions of people wake up tired every morning, and most never find out why. Americans have never known more about how they sleep. Apple Watch, Oura, Whoop, Garmin, and other wearables generate millions of sleep scores every morning. Yet for most people, those scores never lead to action. Today, Dumbo Health launches Sleep Longevity, a membership designed to turn sleep data into clinical care, anchored by a single number it calls the Sleep Longevity Age. Sleep has quietly become one of the most important pillars of longevity. Yet no company has built the operating system for sleep, a way to move from measuring it to actually improving it. Until today, sleep longevity is a new category that unites prevention, diagnostics, and treatment into one continuous membership, all anchored by a single number, the Sleep Longevity Age. The most important health metric was hiding in the dark. Backed by physicians from the University of California, Los Angeles, Yale, and King's College London, sleep longevity was built to do what dashboards never could. Today's sleep industry has learned to measure sleep, but no one owns the outcome. Dashboards don't cure sleep apnea, and data without treatment changes nothing. The platform combines sleep-focused blood biomarkers, wearable data, artificial intelligence, physician interpretation, at-home sleep apnea testing when needed, and personalized treatment into one continuous experience. "We don't believe the future of healthcare is more dashboards," said Nicholas Nemeth, co-founder of Dumbo Health. "The future is knowing what to do next." Wearables measure sleep. Dumbo Health helps you improve it. Why Dumbo Health was built. Dumbo Health began with a personal experience. Co-founder Mohammed Hawachi was diagnosed with sleep apnea, and getting treated took months of referrals, sleep lab waits, and fragmented care. The experience changed his life, and it exposed how broken sleep care had become. Dumbo Health was built so that no one else has to face that maze alone. Its mission is simple: help people sleep better and live longer. "I was handed a device and left to figure it out alone," Hawachi said. That is exactly the experience Dumbo Health was built to end. Sleep is the missing pillar of longevity. Exercise has Peloton. Nutrition has Function Health. Sleep, despite being one of the strongest predictors of long-term health, still lacks a consumer platform that combines prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. Millions of people wake up exhausted despite normal blood work, and many never realize they have a sleep disorder. Approximately 80% of obstructive sleep apnea remains undiagnosed, and an estimated 90% of women with sleep apnea are never diagnosed because symptoms often appear as fatigue, anxiety, brain fog, or insomnia rather than loud snoring. Untreated sleep apnea has been associated with cardiovascular disease, diabetes, cognitive decline, depression, and increased mortality. Dumbo Health was built to close that gap. Sleep apnea is Dumbo Health's first clinical pathway, not its destination. It is the beachhead, the clearest, most urgent example of how broken sleep care has become, in the doorway into the far larger frontier of sleep longevity. The exhaustion no one checks. Nearly 90% of women with sleep apnea are never diagnosed, not because it isn't there, but because they don't snore. They present with fatigue, anxiety, brain fog, and insomnia, and are told their blood work looks normal. Sleep longevity was built to finally look at what everyone else skips. For millions of people, sleep has been quietly aging them for years, and now they can know by how much. The Sleep Longevity Age, one number for how fast sleep is aging the body. The Sleep Longevity Age is exactly what it sounds like: the true age of a person's sleep. In the same way a biological age can show that a 45-year-old body is really aging like a 52-year-old's, The Sleep Longevity Age reveals how old someone's sleep actually is and how fast it may be aging the rest of the body. It is the closest thing that exists to a real, measured sleep age because it is not guessed from a wristband. It is built from the inside out. 51 sleep-focused blood biomarkers combined with wearable data, when available, reported symptoms, and a physician's interpretation, distilled into one clear number. Most tools report whether someone slept well last night. The Sleep Longevity Age shows how sleep is shaping long-term health, and members retest over time to watch the number move. When the data points to a real medical problem, Dumbo Health routes the member straight into care. Unlike wellness platforms that stop at insights, Dumbo Health diagnoses and treats. Sleep isn't recovery, it's biology. One platform, one team. Dumbo Health offers sleep longevity nationwide. When the Sleep Longevity Age flags elevated risk, members can move directly into diagnosis and treatment through the same platform. That care pathway includes FDA-cleared $149 at-home sleep apnea testing, physician-reviewed diagnosis in as little as 48 hours, treatment beginning in as little as 7 days, CPAP therapy starting at $59 per month with no upfront cost for the machine, 3D mask fitting and AI-powered adherence coaching, and ongoing physician follow-up. Everything happens through one platform, with no referrals, no fragmented providers, and no waiting months for care. For more information, visit www.dumbo.health and dumbo.health longevity. Two models of sleep care. The old model waits for symptoms, sends patients chasing a sleep lab for months, hands them a CPAP, and leaves them to manage alone. Dumbo Health replaces it with a blood draw, AI, a physician, treatment, and continuous care that never stops. Old medicine waits until people are sick. Dumbo Health finds the problem years earlier. Sleep doesn't end when the alarm goes off, and neither does Dumbo Health's care. A better model for sleep care. Traditional sleep care was designed around transactions. Dumbo Health is built around outcomes, combining preventive longevity testing, diagnostic medicine, physician-led treatment, AI monitoring, and continuous membership. The goal isn't simply diagnosing sleep apnea or sleep diseases. It is helping members sleep better and stay healthier for years. Our ambition is to build the function health of sleep, said Mo Hawak, co-founder of Dumbo Health. Not a company that measures sleep, but one that improves it. Beneath all of it is one continuously learning sleep intelligence platform. Every lab result, every wearable signal, every physician note, and every sleep study makes it smarter. This is not a feature. It is the infrastructure for a new era of sleep medicine. That is the flywheel. Every new member makes Dumbo Health smarter, with more biomarkers, more sleep studies, sharper AI, and better outcomes, which in turn draws more members. Intelligence compounds into care, and members sleep better and live longer. Available today, Sleep Longevity launches today with 2 annual memberships. The first 500 members receive early bird pricing, locked for life. Core, our $99 my stay, $365 a year, 51 biomarkers, and the Sleep Longevity Age, a personalized sleep plan and physician interpretation. Wearable integration, health savings account, flexible spending account, eligible concierge, $300 a month, $3,600 a year, everything in core, 103 biomarkers, a comprehensive whole body panel across heart, metabolic, hormonal, inflammation, and longevity markers, as complete as the most advanced wellness testing available, comparable to function health or superpower, all read through the lens of sleep. A dedicated personal sleep coach who builds a plan around each member's results, refines it throughout the year, and answers any question at any time. A private physician and advanced testing. Proactive year-round concierge care that keeps optimizing as the numbers change. For more information, visit www.dumbo.health and www.dumbo.health-longevity. Backed by world leaders in sleep medicine, Dumbo Health's scientific committee includes internationally recognized sleep experts, Dr. Alon Avidan, University of California, Los Angeles, Dr. Meyer Krieger, Yale, Dr. Guy Leschziner, King's College London, Dr. Guillaume Marchand, and Olivier Véran, physician and former French Minister of Health. The company currently provides sleep apnea care in Florida, Texas, Virginia, and Maryland, and plans national expansion. This is only the beginning today. Dumbo Health launches with sleep apnea and sleep longevity. Tomorrow, the same platform extends to insomnia, women's sleep health, pediatric sleep, metabolic health, cardiovascular prevention, Alzheimer's risk, employer benefits, longevity, and an AI physician for sleep. One membership, an expanding frontier of healthy years. Wearables taught the world to measure sleep. Dumbo Health will teach it how to improve it. Sleep was the last major health system without an action layer. Until now. Sleep better, live longer.